Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to remove a friend in FC Mobile. If you want to remove a friend from your friend list in FC Mobile game, first of all, launch open the FC Mobile application on your device and make sure that you're inside this main homepage. From the main screen, go ahead and click on the two human icons at the top right corner to open up the Friends tab. Once you're inside the Friends tab, go ahead and select a friend you want to delete. Tap the drop down button right next to one of your friends. And then in the pop-up, you will see Unfriend button. Tap on that. Confirm that you'd like to remove the friend from your friend list by clicking on Unfriend in the pop-up, and with this, you will be able to delete a friend from your friend list in FC Mobile. Repeat this process for every other friend you want to delete from your friend list and you'll be good to go. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.